Hello, my friends. I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. Now, what we're doing today in the kitchen is that we're participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. She is a wonderful creator and comes up with all kinds of wonderful ideas for your kitchen, and not just your kitchen, but all throughout your home. Now, every season, she comes up with some type of collaboration. And this time, we are working on a lantern. And I'm a big fan of lanterns, and I use them throughout the house. And so I'm going to share with you quickly how this lantern is going to be put together for 2019 Fall Lantern. That's what it's going to be, the 2019 Fall Lantern. So let's get ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is to get this baby cleaned up. So stay tuned. This lantern has been sitting in my entryway, and so while it's not really extremely dirty, it is certainly a little dusty, and so I'm going to give it a good clean, and before I start to put anything new inside, let's get the glass nice and shiny so it will be beautiful. See? A little dirty. Let's continue to clean it up. Now, once I get this cleaned up, we're going to be ready to add fun things that are representative of fall. And, you know, some people are, when you think fall, they think about Halloween. That's not really for me. I'm not a big Halloween person, but I do like fall. So I am going to enjoy. I love the colors of fall, and I'm more of a burgundy, red person when it comes to things that represent fall. So you're going to see there won't be so much orange other than the pumpkins, but there will certainly be lots of reds and greens and a little bit of orange and yellows. So let's continue cleaning, getting this glass nice and clean, and want it all shined up. A little closer so you can see. And I should have put that candle in before I put the hurricane in, but I'll get that in there in just a moment. Now, what I am going to do is that I'm going to add a lantern swag. I want something that's going to swag down and going to give a beautiful appearance. So I've put together a bow, and the bow is ready. I just need to fluff it out, and I'm doing a little bit of fluffing as we're talking. But you know, fall is so much fun. And I'm going to put several links throughout this video because I've been doing wreaths, and I've done another lantern as well, and to be in different places. I also did a floral arrangement, so we are just going to have fall everywhere in our home. Now, so this is enough to get us started. Now, what I do need to do is to turn it over and to cut my zip tie off, because we're not going to need that. It's serving its purpose, holding the flowers, but I don't need the ends. Now, what I am going to do is that I'm going to take two pieces here. I want them to tie. I'm going to use the red and the plaid, and I'm going to use them as ties, because what I'm going to do with this is that I think I'll take what's the bottom? The bottom seems to be the red. So I'm going to use the red, and I'm going to tie my ribbon onto my swag. Now I have enough room to be able to do that. I've left purposely enough room. And this ribbon is going to fit right in between those two acorns. So I'm going to can see, but this is the back, and I have wrapped it around the center of the swag, and I'm going to tie. Now the reason for that is that next year I may decide I want different ribbon or different colors or more orange or more gold, and so if that's the case, then I can very easily remove this bow and add a different one. Now the bow is ready. So I'm going to take those to the same ends, and I'm going to take them to the top, the little steeple portion of my lantern. And I'm going to turn it around so you can see. I can do that without scratching. Okay, I'm going to turn it around to the back. And I am going to tie this onto my lantern. And I'm going to make it pretty. There we go. With a nice finish. Okay, so that part is ready. Now I still have little streamers that I can add, and I'll show you those. Tied the bow onto the swag, and I'm bringing you up closer so you can see. And I'm going to, this is the back, and this portion will not be visible. But what I do want to do is to, just in case I decide to put it somewhere where it may be more visible in the back, then I can just adjust the items on the swag. So I'm going to start to turn you around. You're going to see the streamers. There's our bow. And I need to fluff, fluff, fluff. I'm going to bring the candle and put it in place. Well, there it is. It is ready, it's finished, and I think it looks very beautiful. You can see the candle sparkling, and I just know tonight with that extra glass on the inside that there is going to be a bit of extra sparkle that you'll be able to see. So I'm going to move you around and give you an up-close look at this candle, and also one that's just back far enough. And this little home is blessed. We are blessed. So let's be sure to give God the thanks for all that He does each day. And I thank you for watching as I put this fall 2019 lantern together. Thank you to Kenya for inviting the creators to participate in her collaboration. So, have a blessed and wonderful fall. Enjoy your evening and your time blessed with your family. See you tomorrow.